Watch how this stack of cardboard sheets automatically moves forward. A special wheel guides the top sheet into the machine, which then processes it with high precision to form ready-to-use cardboard packaging. This automated packaging line ensures precision and efficiency, preparing each bottle for its final journey. This packaging line efficiently wraps baked goods, ensuring each bar is perfectly sealed and ready for distribution. Take a closer look at our fully automated bottled water production line. First, empty bottles are seamlessly guided along the conveyor into the rotary system. Next, they enter the filling station, where each container is swiftly and accurately filled with fresh water. Immediately after, the capping machine secures the blue lids tightly to seal in the quality. The finished bottles then glide down the line to be automatically grouped together. Finally, they are wrapped in plastic film and passed through a heat shrink tunnel, emerging as perfectly sealed bulk packs, ready for distribution. Automated perfection. See how this machine smoothly swirls, slices, and adds sticks to these vibrant ice cream pops in a flash. Watch as this high-speed thermoforming machine precisely crafts crystal clear plastic cups, separating the excess material as a worker carefully inspects the finished product. Experience the fascinating artistry of metalcraft as skilled hands and heavy machinery seamlessly transform raw metal into durable, functional ladles. Witness every precise step of this intricate industrial process, from the initial shaping to the final polish, showcasing a true testament to craftsmanship and manufacturing excellence. Fresh apples are first thoroughly washed to ensure they are clean. Next, each piece is carefully placed into individual holders. Finally, the machine lifts and aligns them perfectly, automatically peeling and coring every single apple with incredible precision and speed. Ever wonder how printed circuit boards are assembled with such perfect precision? Witness the mesmerizing speed and accuracy of modern electronics assembly, where tiny components are placed flawlessly in a fraction of a second. The lighter bodies are first sorted and aligned, then the internal components are assembled into the casing, and finally the assembled lighters are inspected and tested with a flame. Inside this automated workspace, the machine steadily cuts and shapes white plastic straws with great precision. The finished pieces then drop onto the green conveyor belt, moving forward in a neat and orderly line to complete the efficient manufacturing cycle.